How would you define Satan or Satan?
I see it as moilech or mulech. I mean, I see it as in Leviticus, they say, do not pass your children through the fire. It's a very real physical existence. My research shows that there's a lot of little ones that go missing every year, precious souls that disappear off the planet. And I believe they're being used by this satanic force. We need to put an end to it, and we need to unify as humanity and come into our power and destroy the Satan forever. Like it or not, whether you're ready or not, we're coming into the era. We are in the era of Mashiach. We are in the Great Awakening, and this is a time of hope, of joy. The more you can lose your own personal, like that tohu aspect, that thing that, I've got to have this, and not to say that it's a bad thing. What I saw in my vision of DMT was that every molecule of air knows the complete history of the universe. We don't know. We don't even know what happened in the 1900s. Really, our personal identity is kind of associated with tohu. As we shatter our own vessels, we will come into, we will be like the molecules that I saw in my DMT experience, that they know everything, that once we let go of who we think we are, then we're unlimited, we're infinite.